In the beginning, God created the heavens and the earth. In fact, He created everything. And He created people in His image. I think one of the things that means is that, like God, we like to create things. That creative nature comes out in different ways, but I think most of us have some level of creativity. I view the computer, which itself was created by people, as a great creativity tool. I use computers for graphic design, web development, programming, and writing. I plan to create video courses in each of those areas. This course is graphic design with GIMP. Wilbur is the GIMP mascot. GIMP was one of the most popular courses I taught for Landry Academy. Each semester I was amazed at the projects the students were able to create. I've taken the best features from that Landry course and expanded those concepts. I started the course using GIMP version 2.8 and just recently added 17 new videos covering the latest release, GIMP 2.10. Creating computer graphics is fun and a great skill to have in today's world. GIMP is graphic software which has many of the same features as Photoshop, but without Photoshop's price tag. GIMP is free and runs on Windows, Mac, Linux, and Raspberry Pi computers. Here's an overview of the skills and concepts covered in this course. I've divided them into 3 levels of GIMP ability: Begimpers or beginning Gimpers, Intergimpers with intermediate skills, and by the end of the course, students will have acquired the necessary skills to be considered expert Gimpers. All the concepts taught in this GIMP course will carry over to any of the other popular graphics programs a student may use later, such as Photoshop. Here are some examples of previous students' work for this course. This is a very hands-on course. You can't learn graphic design merely by watching videos or reading books. Students are encouraged to pause the video and practice the skills that are demonstrated. Skills are introduced gradually and build upon previous sessions. The videos may be viewed online on any device. The license includes usage by your entire family. Just don't share the videos with others. It's fun to work on the graphics projects with someone else. Most of the projects are open-ended, so it's interesting to see what others in your family will create. You'll have a PDF file that contains the topics covered in each video. There's a place to check when the student has completed each video and the project for that session. There's also a PDF that contains a summary of each assignment. The assignments are covered in the videos, but the PDF gives you access to them all in one place. Sample public domain images are provided for use in the class in a variety of subject areas. Students are encouraged to use their own images as well. Where specific images are needed for a lesson, those will be available from a download link on that video page. The suggested age range is 12 years and up, but that's not set in stone. A younger student who's good with computers and has an interest in computer graphics would certainly be able to complete the course. Adults are encouraged to try out the lessons as well. You can create impressive computer graphics even if you don't consider yourself very artistic. Although my website is called Homeschool Spark, the courses aren't limited to homeschoolers. The GIMP course is a good way for anyone to learn computer graphics. Take a look at the free sample lesson to see what the course videos are like. If you have any questions, please use the contact form at homeschoolspark.com to send me an email. A new feature I've added to this course is the ability for an additional price to submit your assignments to me through a web form to receive feedback or grading on those assignments. Click the course information and enrollment link for details about that. Just click the Enroll button to sign up for the course. You'll see the optional add-on for assignment feedback. Check that box if you'd like to add that to the course. Otherwise, the course is just $30 for access to the course videos, less than your typical computer book.